Welcome to our video on different types of meditation methods. If you're looking to start a meditation practice, you may be wondering which method is right for you. In this video, we'll explore some of the most common meditation methods to help you find the one that works best for you. The first method we'll explore is mindfulness meditation. This technique involves focusing on your breath, bodily sensations, or other sensory experiences to bring your attention to the present moment and increase awareness. This method can help you reduce stress, improve focus, and increase self-awareness. Another method is loving kindness meditation. This technique involves cultivating feelings of love, compassion, and kindness towards yourself and others. By practicing loving kindness meditation, you can increase your capacity for empathy and compassion and reduce negative emotions like anger and anxiety. Transcendental meditation is another popular method. This technique involves using a mantra or sound to help you achieve a deep state of relaxation and mental calm. Transcendental meditation has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety and improve overall well-being. Yoga meditation is a method that combines yoga postures, asanas, with meditation techniques. This method can help you improve physical and mental well-being, reduce stress, and increase flexibility and strength. Walking meditation is another method that involves walking slowly and mindfully, paying attention to your breath and surroundings. This method can help you reduce stress, improve focus, and increase physical activity. Body scan meditation involves systematically scanning your body from head to toe and noticing any sensations, tensions, or discomfort that arise. This method can help you increase self-awareness and reduce physical tension and stress. Finally, chakra meditation involves focusing on the energy centers, chakras, in the body to balance and harmonize your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. This method can help you increase self-awareness and balance your mind, body, and spirit. There are many meditation methods available, and the right one for you may depend on your personal preferences and needs. By exploring different methods, you can find the one that works best for you and incorporate meditation into your daily routine to improve your overall well-being.